Guess what I got? $100 Amazon gift card. Winning! In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I got a free $100 physical Amazon gift card. And I'm going to tell you what company gave it to me and how you can get it too. You definitely want to watch this video all the way through, because I'm not only going to tell you which company gave me this free physical Amazon gift card, I'm also going to let you know some uncommon ways that I earn free gift cards. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. First up is the Moby app. This app pays you to be like a detective in the stores. Once you download the Moby app, you'll be able to use the locator to find out which stores in your area have missions available. On these missions, you'll take photos and answer some basic questions, and you might have to speak to somebody that works there. I've never had to do that. So typically it's just photos and answering some basic questions. Once you do finish your mission and it's approved, which is usually within 24 to 48 hours, then they will give you points that you can redeem for gift cards. Normally when I'm using Moby, it's because I'm already out anyway. So I'll just spend like an extra 10 minutes in the store and I can offset the cost of anything that I'm buying while I'm out there by using the Moby app. And I know a lot of people on this channel have been interested in mystery shopping. Make sure you check out my mystery shopping playlist. But this is different from mystery shopping because you don't have to make a purchase. So all you have to do is go in, take those photos and answer those questions and you're good to go. So if you're interested in the Moby app, then make sure you use my link down below. Next up, we have On My Way. This free app will reward you for being a responsible adult on the road. So they are just requiring that you don't text and drive. With On My Way, you can earn rewards like gift cards, free food, gas, and more. So once you install On My Way, they will make sure that you're not using other apps. Now, listen, you can still use like your navigation and your music, that kind of stuff, that's fine. But when it comes to like texting and driving and actually on the phone, no, they don't want you to do that. But they will reward you for not touching all over your phone while you're driving. So you're being paid to be a responsible adult. And a lot of you already know that I worked in law enforcement. So trust me when I tell you, I've seen some nasty accidents. It is not worth it. Don't text and drive. And why not get some gift cards for not doing that?
Hell to the yeah.
Now you're gonna love this part. On My Way will give you $100 in points just for signing up. And you can earn even more rewards for taking short videos in certain stores or restaurants that you go to. So if you're interested in checking out On My Way, then make sure you use my link down below. The next uncommon way to earn free gift cards is using an app called Sweatcoin. I don't talk about it much, but I do use it. And Sweatcoin will reward you for taking steps throughout the day. So just walking around can get you points that can be converted into free gift cards. Now, one thing to take note of is that Sweatcoin does change out their rewards. So you might see an Amazon gift card on there one day, but then another day you may not.
I can deal with that.
Using Sweatcoin is like getting paid to stay fit, except you don't have to go pay for a gym membership or worry about getting stared at in the gym when you're trying to work out. Anyway, if you're interested in Sweatcoin, make sure you use my link down below. On to the moment that you have been waiting for. How I got this free physical Amazon gift card and who sent it. I got it for doing something that should be a no-brainer, taking care of myself. My health insurance company, Blue Cross, sent me this $100 Amazon gift card. And if you don't have Blue Cross Blue Shield, don't click off of this video because I have information of how you can still get a free gift card. The thing is, I had a choice between this one or a bunch of other gift cards, but I chose Amazon. I mean, who doesn't use Amazon? And just a quick reminder, since we are talking about Amazon gift cards, I do have an Amazon storefront because a lot of people have been asking questions like, where did you get your lamp? Or what equipment do you use for your YouTube channel? I have all of that on my Amazon storefront. Plus, I share my favorite Amazon products in live streams on Amazon. So make sure you follow me over there. I'm Nikki for real over there. So I have it linked down below. But Blue Cross rewarded me with a $100 gift card of my choice for doing healthy activities such as doing my annual physical or getting a flu shot, or watching some videos, or putting my bill on auto pay. Those things earned me enough points where I was able to cash out for a $100 gift card. And over the past several years, the maximum gift card that you could get was $100. But since 2023, Blue Cross started a thing where you can get up to a $300 gift card. And if you don't have Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance, just know that there are plenty of other insurance companies that will reward their members for doing healthy things, such as the way that I earned mine. So look into your health insurance provider to find out what programs they have. So for example, I used to have Aetna. They gave digital gift cards in their Healthy Rewards program. So look up your health insurance and find out if they have a similar program. And it's as simple as going on Google, typing in your insurance company's name and the words free gift card. If you're in the US, there's a very good chance that your insurance will have a similar program that will give you a free gift card for doing what you're already doing. They just don't advertise it like that. So that's why I'm here to give you the scoop, because a lot of times people are leaving free gift cards on the table. They don't know that they can earn these. There's not one person that I know that is taking advantage of earning these free gift cards, but yet every year they're still going to get their physicals. They have their insurance bills on auto pay. All of these things that they're doing could be earning them these gift cards. They're just not claiming them. They don't know these programs exist.
That's crazy.
So that's why I'm here to tell you about these programs so that you're not missing out on these gift cards, because think about what an extra $100 to $300 could do for you. If you did make it up to this point in the video, then make sure you drop a comment to let me know and say, wow, so that I know that you made it to this point in the video and I can shout you out if you're one of the first ones to leave that comment. And if you love free gift cards, you haven't seen anything yet, check out my free gift card survival guide. I have way more options in there. It's available for instant download. The link is down below. And if you do like this content, please let me and the algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you do like Amazon gift cards, trust me when I tell you, you need to be watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let